Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be recreating a tutorial, I guess, on like chocolate covered strawberries that I saw on TikTok. So this girl made Mickey Mouse chocolate covered strawberries. So I wanted to recreate them, and that's what I'm going to be doing today. Okay guys, so for this recipe you're going to need your strawberries, yellow M&Ms, so I already separated them, and then red candy melts, the regular chocolate ones, these little like popsicle sticks, I guess, and then some Oreos, the mini ones, and some baking sheets. Okay, so first things first, you want to make sure your hands are washed. Ain't nobody trying to catch COVID here. Also, make sure that your strawberries are nice and washed. You don't want any dirt or freaking gusanos in your strawberries. And then you're going to get a little tray and put the baking sheet on there, just like that. And then after you've washed your strawberries, you want to make sure that you dry them. So just kind of like pat them, I guess, and make sure there's no water on them, because if there is water, then the chocolate isn't gonna stick to them. And then you just line them up on your baking sheet. Okay, so after you guys have lined up your strawberries, we're gonna go ahead and place these little sticks in them. So you're just gonna put them here at the very top of them. And this is just gonna make it easier for you to dip them in the chocolate. Just like that. Okay, so they should all look like this, and now we're gonna go ahead and get started with the chocolate. So I have a sartén filled with water, and the water is going to start boiling right now. And then I have this clear bowl that I'm gonna put inside of the sartén. And then once the water starts boiling, obviously it's gonna be hot. So I'm gonna put in the chocolates, and it's going to melt the chocolates. And I just think this is a much better and easier way than melting them in the microwave, because usually when I melt them in the microwave, they always burn on me. So yeah, I like to do it like this. Okay, so I went ahead and put in the chocolates already. And I don't know if you guys can see it, but they're starting to melt. And you kind of want to have the heat like on a medium level. So as you guys can see, my chocolate is pretty much ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and start dipping in the strawberries. And you're gonna wanna cover the full strawberry in the chocolate. So just like that. And then you kind of want to spin it a little bit just so the excess chocolate can drip off. Okay, and then it's gonna go back on the baking sheet. So it's been a couple of minutes and I put the strawberries in the freezer. I'm gonna go ahead and take them out now because they look like they're about ready. And then we're gonna start doing the other half, which is the red chocolate. Guys, oh my god, so these little candies were a freaking fail. So I think I have a backup plan. I have some white regular candy melts, and I think I'm just gonna add food coloring to them because these tiny ones didn't work. I don't know why. What the hell? I don't understand. Okay guys, so let me explain to you what happened. It was such a big mess. So the candy just didn't want to melt anymore on the stovetop. I don't know why. Like, it just wasn't working out. It kept clumping up and it was just gross. I did that 3 times and it just didn't work out. So I ended up melting it in a bowl in the microwave. And it came out like that. And now I went ahead and dipped the strawberries only halfway into the chocolate, and then I put 2 of the yellow M&Ms on top. So I'm gonna flip the camera on so you guys can see. Okay, so this is what they look like. I just put the M&Ms on top like that, and then you're only gonna dip it about halfway in. Okay guys, so I went ahead and took these out of the freezer already, and I'm going to show you guys the next step. So you're going to grab your mini Oreos, and then basically all you're gonna do is just open them up. Make sure both sides have some of like the cream on it. Oh my god, this is a disaster. Yeah, so just make sure both sides have some cream on it, and then you're just going to place them on your strawberry like this. So that's like the Mickey Mouse ears. So you're just gonna do this to the rest of the strawberries. So open it up, and then just like that. You can go ahead and take off the sticks just so they can look a little bit nicer once you guys are done. Okay, so this is what the finished result looks like. I honestly think they came out super, super cute. It was a struggle. Like, towards the end, it was a major struggle. But I did it, and I think they came out super, super cute. They are very, very easy. If you get the brand of candy melts that I got, which is the ones from Walmart, just be careful so that like what happened to me doesn't happen to you. So just a heads up on that. That is it for this episode of Cooking with Bianca. Guys, I'm sorry Leo is playing with his drill in the background. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys recreate this easy recipe. If you do, don't forget to tag me so I can see how yours came out, and I will also leave down the TikTok that I saw. That way you guys can go ahead and like reference that video too or whatever. But yeah, that's basically it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.